In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add logo in video Capcut PC. This is going to be a very quick tutorial. I'm not going to waste your time. We're going to go straight right onto it. So we have this clip in the timeline already, and we just want to add in the image just for your watermark sake or branding. So what you do next is to click on import. Obviously we've imported this image, this video. So click on import and go to where you have your logo. For me is download, and I'm going to scroll down to where I have my logo. Remember, you want your logo to stay without a background. So as you can see, I have other two logos with same design, but they have background obviously. So I want to select one without the background. It's easy to remove background of logo. If you want me to show you how to do that, then I can do that in the future, but in this one we just want to use one without the background like you see here. So hit on this and then bring it into the design. So we have it here. As you can see, once we hit on it, you're going to see it's going to appear at the beginning, but that's not where we want it. We want it to be in the video, so we are just going to move that up by left clicking and dragging that up. Okay, so we're just going to drag that up like that. So you see I increased the size. You want to increase the size for the length of the video, and that's what I did here. Now you have it. Okay, you can scale it up here or reduce it, so you can do that. All right, that's scaling down, or you can increase it. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. Then you can also blend it. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you can decide, okay, let me scale it down and put it to the side like that. Okay, so we have it. Then you can come over to blend. You see it says normal. Then you can decide to brighten it. Okay, you can decide to do whatever you want to do with it. It's totally up to you what you want with this logo. Right, totally up what you want with it. As you can see, bright is not showing properly. You see the scale, screen, and the rest. So you can actually change that, and you can also make it transparent. I'll make a full video on that later. Okay, so you can also make it transparent. Remember, you want to put the logo where it will not interfere. As you can see, it's interfering here, so I'm going to move it down here. Perfect. So now opacity, you can actually reduce the opacity if you don't want it to be too bold, as you can see. So watch what happens when I reduce the opacity. You see now it automatically turns transparent, so we can just leave it at that or make it that way. We'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Remember to subscribe, please.